guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki, and today we will be making something a little bit different. I wanted to make a sign using those stencils I found at Walmart, this stirring sticks, this saucers from Walmart, and some leftover sticks I have. Also, we're going to use really loved brushes and a sponge. I'm using burnt umber and Snow White. Also this Lagoon from Waverly and this licorice from Folgard. My son just ate that. So let's get started. First we're gonna take our stirring sticks and we're gonna measure them to the shorter ones that we have. Then when we have them where we want them, we're gonna add lots of hot glue and glue that together. Remember the lots of hot glue part. Now we're going to take our saucers and we're going to give them 2 coats of white paint. You can use chalk paint and maybe you will add only 1 coat. Use the one that you prefer. And remember to paint the lower part rim or the bottom part rim. Now we take our sign and we're going to paint it on the blue lagoon color we have from Waverly chalk paint. We're going to use that one and we're going to cover each and every corner and space from that sign. Just remember to cover all of it because that will show and you don't want that showing. Now we're going to take our saucers and we're going to give them a black paint rim just like that, and we're going to take our stencils and we're going to stencil the word eat using 1 letter for each of our saucers. And we're going to use for that our sponge, and like that we're going to sponge down our stencils. So you can see this one doesn't have the black rim, but I'm going to make that a little bit later. Now we're going to make the A, and we're going to take our paint and we're going to finish the rim, black rim I mentioned, and this one and all of the letters. We continue until we finish. Using a brush won't do the job, so use a sponge. It's lots better. And then we let them dry, fix everything that's a little bit messed up. Now we're gonna give it a good distressed look to our sign using the sponge like that. You can add lots more if you want. You can also give it a dry brush, white dry brush like I did with the ladder. But I just want it a little bit distressing, not too much. So that's to your liking. Continue distressing it until you have all of it covered in your brown distressed look. I just love how this looks because it looks like the paint is chipping. So now we're going to take our saucers and we're going to add lots of hot glue. Remember that part, lots. And that's it. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have over here our eat sign. Those are the letters. I just love how they turned out. They are so rustic and beautiful. This is the sign and the painting technique we used. This is how it looks. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.